How to change a caption on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to your feed and tap on any of your posts on Instagram. Open the post and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on the edit option as shown. Here, you can edit and change your caption for this post. You can also edit the location, AI level, text, or even tag people to this post. Change the caption and then tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully changed the caption of this post. Following these steps, you can easily change a caption on Instagram.